Hi guys, and welcome to this Java tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm gonna actually show you how to run your Java program from the command line or the CMD, alright, or PowerShell for example. So this program right here um, that we wrote in our previous tutorial, we're gonna use this as our program to run in this tutorial. So we're gonna browse uh, for the folder of this file. So I'm gonna right click on it in the package explorer. I'm gonna click on show in system explorer. So this is our Java file right here, test.java. So what I'm gonna want to do is actually open the PowerShell right here. So to do this, we're gonna actually hold the shift button and then right click here, and we're gonna have the option to open PowerShell window here, or you can have the option open command line here. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it, and then here we go. This is the PowerShell. So what I'm gonna want to do is actually first of all compile the Java files and then run it. So in case you have multiple Java files, what you're gonna want to do to run them correctly is actually first of all compile them all and then run the main class, or the class that has the main method, right? So what we're gonna want to do is type java c space and then asterisk dot java. So what this actually does is that it compiles all the Java files and then click enter, and then as we notice right here we have test.class generated, which is the compiled file. So what we're gonna want to do now is actually run this file. So we're gonna type java and then type the name of the class. So the name of the class is test. So we're gonna type in test right here and then click on enter, and that's it. It runs our program. So we're gonna choose a circle, for example, and then enters 5. Here we go. This is the area. So that's it, guys, for how to run a Java program in the command line, and see you in the next tutorial.